Our great tool, Facebook Candy, helps us to find royalty-free images. If you click here in free stock image, you will see where to find images. Like, for example, if you want to find images about golf, okay, you want to have photo or you want to have a video, you want to see in which category. Here you have different categories and sort by popular or latest. And then you're going to click on search, and then you get these free stock images that you can use for your post. Okay, you'll see the results. Here we are. Okay, you see here, you see how many likes, how many views, how many comments, how many download. And here you can download this image or even post this image if you want to. Okay, like that. Look how many download. So these images are for free for you. They're amazing images that can increase your popularity.